If you have a void in your asphalt,
yeah,
Mo can fill it. Best guy in the industry. So when it comes to quality control, most of our videos, you see us cutting in around the storm drains, stuff like that. So I screwed up. I didn't do it. I was spraying, noticed it. So Mason came to the rescue with his touch-up brush, because again, we don't want to spray in the waste dumpster, in the waste drain, but good on Mason. Mason got my back. A little bit of technique here, a little technique talk. See how I'm walking backwards right now? And then I'm walking forwards. So when I get to the end here, I'm gonna take a little drop step. The drop step helps to move the hose. Again, drop step helps to move the hose. So as I take that drop step, now I'm gonna layer in a little bit of a swing with the hose to try to get the hose out of the way. It's very subtle, but it's a great way to get the hose out of your way, just a little swing so you can keep spraying. So as you can see, I'm walking backwards and forwards. Common mistake is this. I mean, besides looking like you belong on Jurassic Park, like you're one of those crazy little dinosaurs, like it's just not a good technique because you're not layering the seal coating properly. Toe heel, all the way to the end is gonna allow you to have a better like 50-50 coat, or if you're kind of doing 80-20 on coverage, stepping backwards, toe heel is gonna allow you to spray better. Twisting at the waist, you're just gonna look like a ridiculous part of Jurassic Park. There's a pivot point here on the wand so that the whole wand can twist. If you can see it, it's right here. So this is a double threaded nut. The bottom side of the nut screws into the handle. So from here down screws into the handle. From here back should turn just like that. If you can zoom in right there. Why is that important? Well, I'm getting ready to show you why. We're trying to cut in, as you can see, around these bollards. So I don't want to get any seal coat on the bollards, but here's a quick and easy way to do that by utilizing the pivot that's built into the seal coating wand. I'm going to start on this side and then I'm going to go to this side. You want to point your nozzle away from the concrete. I'm going to activate, run the seal coat around. Now, using the pivot point, I can simply pivot it to the other side. Small tip, but it can be huge in keeping important things like the concrete and the bollard clean from seal coating. As your climate changes, the temperature of the pavement, humidity, dew point, your actual temperature, as those things fluctuate through the warmer months of the year, how the seal coating sprays out of the wand, how it applies to the ground, the viscosity, the thickness or the thinness of it, it all changes. Make sure that you're using the proper size tip for that application. So we're a little bit watery right now. It's coming out a certain way that we want to kind of thicken it up a little bit. So we're going to change out the tip because we're always looking to provide the best quality application of our seal coating product. And never point the business end towards your eyes.
Well, she's fine.
Fire in the hole. Does that feel better?
Yeah, hell of a lot better.
There we go.